Episerver has put together a nice FAQ around questions that customers might have around this rebranding to Optimizely. Jared, are there any specific questions here that you think are good to kind of dig into?
Yeah, good question. Yeah, well, first I'd echo, I completely agree with you. I think they've done a really nice job of being prepared, at least the basic questions here for people out there who are looking for some answers around what this means. I really would like to start with the one here that references, why did you choose Optimizely as the brand name? I know we kind of touched on it in an earlier conversation here, but I think they do a really nice job of explaining to people why it is that they have made this decision, and they're very transparent. The fact that they reference that it's difficult and expensive to keep two brand names, and to me, for an organization the size of Episerver, to share that information with someone, which you might know, but to just be upfront with it, I think is pretty cool. And then again, they touch on the fact that the name aligns with their objectives and what they're looking to do as an organization. So I think they've done a really nice job from top to bottom on the FAQs. That's just one question that I find in particular to be well done. Lori, is there anything out of this list that you'd be interested in calling out?
Yeah, when you go into the one around product roadmap, I think their answer there is interesting because I think for customers, they're thinking about how is this going to affect where I'm at today and what's going to happen in the future. And their point here is that this is going to enable them to continue to make investments. Like, it won't negatively impact the product roadmap. If anything, it positively impacts their ability to create an aligned product roadmap strategy. And they talk later in some of the questions about the fact that contracts aren't changing, the people that you're interacting with aren't changing, or at least programmatically, that there's no plan for that today. And so I just think their focus on being transparent and clear, trying to think through what questions people have and address them up front is really great to see in terms of them prioritizing that communication.